Dale Earnhardt Jr. How's it going, man? Can I call you Dej? I'm sorry. I just figured, save some time. Don't say the whole like Dale Earnhardt Jr. It's a little tiring, Not like your dad. It was a little easier. Just Dale Earnhardt. Yeah, I'll get to the point. I'll cut to the chase. All right, you don't like my jokes. It's all good. Hey, but I heard the Daytona 500's coming up in a couple of weeks. Figured since you're retired, maybe you would want to take this opportunity to be like my coach, to be on my corner and change things up in my career. Maybe get some more publicity on my face so that then Hollywood's like, who's that race driver? That handsome, cheesy race driver. We gotta put him in a movie. You don't work with actors. Why not? They're into themselves. I am not into myself. I am so far out of myself that I can look at myself right now and I'm like, look at that guy. he's not doing things correctly. You know what? I'm gonna hang up because I realize I'm sabotaging my own career. Whoa, hi. My name is Gabriel Romanek. I'm an actor, and I'm starving. Huh. All right. Stop number 2. We'll probably post this a little after. All right. Well, since I did Quick Trip.
That Quick Trip Wawa.
Well, no, but right. Yeah, we just did Wawa, but since I did Quick Trip last week, and did the hot dog, John was like, "Oh, you got to do the Racetrack hot dog now."
True that.
So I'm like, "All right, well, fine. I guess I gotta. I can't put any different condiments. I gotta still do the pickles, ketchup, and mayo. I am not this week.
This is like a Curb Your Enthusiasm episode when you try to open up the GPS.
This is ridiculous. Where's
the X-Acto knife when you need it?
Exactly. I need the X-Acto knife. All right, so apparently it's a Nathan's hot dog. Nathan's 100% all beef. Which by the way means cow. In case you didn't know, beef means cow, steak means cow, bacon means pig. So you can't cloak it. You got to be honest with yourself. So let's see. I mean, I still think Quick Trip has the best gas station hot dogs. I can't remember the last time I've had a Racetrack. So
Battle of the dogs.
Gotta love the dogs. The Georgia Bulldogs. First bite's the one that counts when you're starving. Wait, there we go.
Gotta find the right end to bite into.
I gave you my napkin.
That's what pants are for.
That's right. Do I wipe my mouth on my pants? On your pants?
I don't know. Just wipe your hands and then the pants.
Yeah.
Hey, man, use your hands.
Gotta use my hands. This actually really isn't that bad. That guy is overcompensating.
He's ready for the Daytona 500 too.
He is ready for the Daytona 500. That's where he's headed. That guy. And he's only moving like 5 miles an hour. And he has to make that. Oh, he's showing off. Okay, this hot dog actually is not bad. Probably because it's a Nathan's. It's pretty solid. Wow. That's really good. Bread is a little dry, but not bad. Something kind of standard you would think at a gas station. Pickles not bad. I think these are more of dill pickles.
It's good pickle knowledge there.
More of a dill pickle, not bad. You guys are like just watching me constantly licking my face. Okay. All right. Well, Racetrack hot dog. My New York is coming out. Nathan's 100% all beef. here in Tampa, off of, I think it's still 301 and something, right?
I believe Causeway.
Causeway and something across the street from Bubba's, Texas Roadhouse. What did I give Quick Trip? It was like a
Mid-8,
like an 8.5, right? Something like that.
Yeah.
Dry bun still tastes pretty good. I'll give it a 7.9. I'll give it a 7.9. But honestly, I really think this is the best gas station hot dog. I'm gonna go with 8. Ooh. 8.4. I'll go with an 8.4. I almost said 8.3. I thought 8.4 first, so got to go with the first one. 8.4, because it's really good. Honestly, it's what I like the most about this is just the actual hot dog. The hot dog is fantastic. The bread is okay, but all the flavors together. They use Hellman's. Was it Hellman's or another company's Mayo? I forgot which one. But yeah, 8.4. Racetrack hot dog. I'll see you on the turbine. I don't know sports or NASCAR.
On the track.
Yep.